Now the slugs. How do slugs poop? A slug poops through its anus located at the mantle, on the right side of its body near the genital opening. The genital opening is located on the slug's mantle. So, unlike other animals, slugs have their anuses close to their heads. Why you might be wondering, like, that's because they are relatives of snails, as snails have their anuses outside the shell. The slug digestive system consists of the following: buccal mass, esophagus, two salivary glands with two ducts, clopole, intestine, stomach, duct to the anterior lobe of the digestive gland, duct to the posterior lobe of the digestive gland, rectum, and anus. Here's how the digestive slugs feed. Then the radula shreds the food into the pieces through that in turn reach the buccal cavity and the esophagus. The food pieces mix with the mucus and saliva and go to the crop. The crop walls produces peristaltic movements that help digest the fat, proteins, and polysaccharides. The crop wall also helps absorb fatty acids. The food then goes into the stomach. The digested pieces end up in the intestine as packed food pieces covered in mucus. More mucus gets mixed with the digested food in the intestines, and then they leave the body through the slug's anus. Slugs and snails may carry the rat lungworm parasite whose primary host is the rat. Slugs get it by eating rat poop. The rat lungworm may be spread to humans but can't complete the cycle in the human body. However, it may still be dangerous, and infected patients may require great care and treatment. Slugs can also be host to the Agastrogalus caustralensis parasite, which is related to the rat lungworm. The parasite can survive in the human body in the gastrointestinal tract, that's the GIT. Humans can get this parasite if they handle slugs without gloves, and without thoroughly washing their hands afterward. Moreover, people may get this parasite if they accidentally eat a slug or eat undercooked slugs or snails. If you have a dog, you might have noticed that the slugs and snails gather around your dog's poop. So why do they do that? Do slugs like poop? Yes, they do. Besides the light in plants, worms, or snails, slugs love poop. They also love poop too. It's organic, isn't it? Slugs are often kept as pets. If you're planning to keep a slug as a pet, here's what you need to do. You need to prepare a proper habitat for your slug. It can be kept in a storage box or even in a column with a lid. Your slugs may be decorated with logs, leaves, glass, soil, dirt. Don't forget to clean your slug's home. Check its humidity daily and clean it carefully every 2 weeks. Don't forget that slugs can carry parasites. It's highly recommended to wear gloves while handling them and wash your hands thoroughly afterward. Slugs smells through their eyes. Sea slugs are probably the largest species, growing as long as 40 inches, that's 101 centimeters, about 1 meter, and weighing as much as 30 pounds, that's 10.6 kgs. Imagine a slug weighing as much as a medium-sized dog. Slugs can be fertilized their eggs. They can lay up to 5 fathers every year. Slugs don't have bones. A South Industrial Slugs Biology, Ecology and Control says that slugs have become more and more important because they are agricultural and horticultural pests, and they are useful experimental animals, particularly in the field of neurophysiology.